Hey guys, my name is William. I'm here with the Let's Talk Doc team. I'm going to be going over a basic demo of our solution to kill the clipboard. Um, so let's just go over one of the features that we got. Okay, so I've created a form on Google Docs, and so one of the features we have is being able to grab any form that exists. Specifically, I just made this one. We're going to save it, and then try to save it. I'll load it into the app itself. So we have this main screen. This would be after we log in, we're connected. The start the check-in. So this is supposed to be like the generic form filling. So we're going to be using this dummy patient that we've connected to. And this would be us, and it would be listing our information. So the demographics, you can see the name, gender, date of birth. Has some conditions, has some medications. We're going to go through some acknowledgements and continue on. So here's a list of forms you can use or create or fill in. But for this one, we're going to actually use our own. So you can either download, if someone gives you a file or someone gives you a bunch of pictures, you can take the pictures of the form and then put them in here, and we would analyze it. So for this one specifically, we created this one, this Clinic Form 5. What this is going to do is the AI is going to analyze it. It's going to extract all the questions and answers. And we're going to create a FHIR questionnaire. And it's going to grab all your FHIR data and then like pre-fill it. And then you could just review it before you submit it and fill out all the other questions that need to be filled. But we have a little special way of doing that, and I'll show that. So it takes about anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. I'd say on average, usually takes closer to the 30 seconds, but there's a couple times where it's taken longer. So cool, it's done. Once it's done, it's been selected usually at the bottom right here. So we're going to actually check manually, and I'll just go over how we do that. So as you can see, some of the questions are filled out already. So we've filled out the name, date of birth, phone. So no email address exists. But if you take a look at this, anytime I put something in, it says manual. And today's today. Cool. So all of these are filled out. You can see the medications were brought in, the zip code, all of this fun jazz. The last question we have to answer is please describe the primary reason for your visit today. It would be a typical question that's asked. So instead of filling that out, I'm just going to have a conversation with someone, have them fill it out.
Hi, William. Leologi. Please describe the primary reason for your visit today.
Sure. I've been having headaches for the last week, and I just want to get it checked out.
Done.
Okay. And so now it's going to grab that video. It's going to extract everything out of there, and it's going to pre-fill it. So this takes a bit. As you can see, everything I said, I've just been having headaches for the last week. I just want to get it checked out. Cool. Press submit. See, usually submitted. Okay. Now here's a viewer that I have. So I'll just press enter on this. So this is the demo. This is from the FHIR server. This was just created. So as you can see, everything was created from here. You can see all the questions that were asked. The responses that were given up were the ones that were just created. So it should have been this one, November 2nd, 2:12. No, it's this one, 2:39 a.m. So if you look over here, this is straight from the FHIR server. It's 2:39 a.m., which is like a minute ago. But you can see all the answers. I put in 11.2. I put in this. This was auto-filled. And if you go down to the very bottom, it says, I've been having headaches for the last week. I just want to get them checked out. So that's our feature. Yeah, so the entire form has been filled out, and yeah, you saw a combination of the auto filling, the manual filling, and the video filling. So anything that isn't answered, or yeah, anything that isn't answered, the video will have that conversation with you and fill out whatever it needs to. Yeah, but I hope you liked the demo. Thanks. Bye.